Hey guys, today we have another great product review. We have an LED garage light.
An LED garage light from Banggood.com.
Wow.
Pull it out of the box, Annalisa. This is very simple. This will be a short review. So what it is,
It's a bulb.
it's got 4 different LED panels, and it has a light bulb socket. And what this does is you screw it into your regular light bulb socket. And so for demonstration purposes, we have screwed in the garage light to this floor lamp. And Annalisa's going to go ahead and turn it on.
It's so bright.
And it is very bright, honestly.
What if I fold it like that?
This is supposed to use less electricity than your normal bulb, and it puts out a lot more light than a regular light bulb would. So, okay, we are in my garage right now, and we have put the LED light into the light bulb socket. Go ahead and turn it on, Jen. And there we go. This is plenty bright. Lights up my whole garage. Nice, clean, white light. And uses a lot less power. So yeah, so that's it. It's a light. It's a garage light. A very bright garage light that just screws in. It works. We bought it at Banggood.com. We will put a link in the description below where you may purchase if you want one of these for your garage or whatever room you want to put it in.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.